Hello, UI, UX, user interface, user experience. Today we are going to talk about UI, UX. What is it? How to become a UX designer?
Excuse me, how is the website?
Wow. I really don't like the UI, the layout of the buttons. It's too clumsy. Maybe you can space out the buttons. Yes, and the color, the choice of color too. Yes, we'll go work on that.
Yes, so don't like it.
Yes.
But I work on it.
Okay. User interface is experience design. UI UX. What is it? What are the tips to becoming a good UI UX designer? How do I go about it? My name is Brian Joroge, a creative designer at Focus Forward. Join me in this conversation as we explore. User interface UI deals with the look and feel of a particular product. What's the layout? A user interface is like a joke. If you have to explain it, then it's not really that good. UX, on the other hand, deals with the functionality of a particular product. How long, for instance, if it's a mobile app, how long does it take to do something? What's the customer or the user satisfaction from using that particular product? UI UX designers are constantly tasked with coming up with creative yet functional user interfaces, and therefore it's imperative to have a deep understanding of how all these components work together. What are the tools to use? Where do I begin? Some of the tools used in UI design include Adobe XD, Figma, InVision, Sketch, and many more. And it's important as a UI UX designer to understand the basic principles of design, of graphic design. That includes color, contrast, alignment, adjustments, and how to incorporate all these components together for you to have a clear yet simple UI. Keep it simple, KISS. That's the number one rule in any user interface. But always make sure that it's workable and you deliver according to the products that you're designing. Maybe you're there and you're asking, how do I start? How do I become a UI or UX designer? There are free tools on your disposal. There are very many resources on the internet, ranging from YouTube, from blogs and articles. First of all, you need to understand that design is not an easy process. You need to be patient and you need to research and read more. One of the greatest tools I find myself personally is reading blogs on Medium and seeing inspirational designs from other UI UX designers. That's on Dribble, on Behance, on other platforms like App Labs. You can research and see what other designers are doing and see what you can do different or learn from them. Another important thing you need to know when you're starting as a beginner UI UX designer is that confidence is the key. Don't fear to make mistakes. Design more and more each and every day and you'll see your skill grow. If you're starting out and you're designing user interfaces, don't be afraid to share them. You can post them on Instagram, on Dribble, on Behance and get reviews from people. People from the comments or the comment section will actually help you to know what people think about your designs. Ask them, be honest about your process, and surely you'll see yourself grow. A creative process is crucial when it comes to any type of design, any type of graphic design, or in this case UI UX design. You need to find your workflow. How do you move from one point to another? How do you take on a project? How do you break it down from the point of getting the project to the point of delivering the particular project? UI UX design is definitely a very broad subject. We'll break it down into series of videos on our YouTube channel. Be sure to follow us in our series and let's learn. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to subscribe to our channel, like, comment on the comment section below. Let us know what you think and let us know what videos you'd like us to do as a branding agency. Be sure to follow us on our social media platforms and also link with us on our website. That's www.focusforwardbiz.com and be where the future is.